Next section, clinical assessment scales. Clinical assessment scales, often abbreviated as CASC, is a diagnostic tool used to determine the presence of mental disorders and other conditions. Clinical scales that measure the following: anxiety, cognitive competence, depression. Fear of aging, obsessive compulsiveness, paranoia, psychotism, somatization, mania, and substance abuse. The degree to which an elderly person exhibits symptoms in these areas can help a mental health professionals with the process of differential diagnosis for a mental disorder. The important scales are: first, scale 1, the hypochondriasis scale; scale 2, the depression scale; scale 3, the hysteria scale; scale 4, the psychopathic deviation scale; scale 5, the femininity and masculinity scale. Scale 6, the paranoia scale; scale 7, the psychasthenia scale; scale 8, the schizophrenia scale; scale 9, the mania scale; scale 10, the social introversion scale. Seeing self-rating depression scores. Look at this. Scoring methods. Common areas of clinical assessment: attention, perception, intelligence, judgment. Concentration, memory, learning, thought processes, sensory test. Test of attention and concentration. The capacity to arouse, sustain attention varies with individual time. More of the psychological illness, attention become poor and fluctuate. So, the test of attention and concentration is primary need to diagnosis the mental illness. Common test: Einstein's digit test of concentration, color cancellation task, digit, symbol, subtraction, letter cancellation, knock, cube imitation test. So these are the important attention test use. Test for mental alertness and retention. Assessing the degree of psychomotor retardation. Example: differentiating mild to severe. Common tests include Menesta block reverse test, check for reaction time, response time, and productivity or unit time. Thank you. Have a nice day.